Hi, thank you so much for talking with me today. I know that we've spoken with your daughter and you regards to your daughter and the care that you both receive. But today, right now, I'd like to talk with you about your experience with acupuncture, herbs, and the whole holistic aspect of treatment.
Sure. Well, I started out with having a diagnosis of osteoarthritis in my hip, which is pretty young for 42 at the time, and am facing a hip replacement. However, I wanted to do more along the pain management and trying to get some other things, health and wellness related, under wraps before I went into surgery. So I have been doing acupuncture now for almost a year, and really lately it's really taken a turn for the better. I've gotten a lot more movement back, and the pain has really been kind of a sidebar of what's really going on with me getting back and a little more active. I've also had a couple situations where I had a cold coming on, and we did some treatment related to that, and I noticed that I could feel the difference in where this was moving through my body and up and out of my body, I guess I should say. And it's really been quite enlightening just to watch this happen, and really has made me a lot more in tune with what's going on in my own body and with my daughter, as I had mentioned before.
Great. Well, thank you so much. And would you say a lot of patients are very concerned about pain levels and pain interfering with their everyday lifestyle? Would you say that your pain has significantly decreased with the treatments, or what is your perception?
It's definitely significantly decreased. I used to have to literally take a minute when I got up off of a chair to readjust my body weight and everything else. I can now get up and walk and not have to wait around for my body to catch up with what my brain's trying to do, which is really nice and, again, refreshing. So it's one of those things where when my life has now gotten easier and I'm able to keep up with my kids a lot better, not that I don't have some other stuff ahead of me to take care of, but at this point, just the fact that I can get up and walk again, and I can get back in my car, I can
go to Disneyland.
I can go to Disneyland, just things you really take for granted. Those everyday things are so much easier, and it's made a really big difference in my life.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much for sharing your
You're
experience.
Welcome.